Good morning, students. Now it's time for your SST class, and today we will be doing Chapter 6 Rules to Follow and Duties to Fulfill. There was a mistake from my side on 17th of November. I had posted, instead of Science chapter question answer, I have posted SST Chapter 5 Community Living. So I'm extremely sorry for this. In my science class, I'll be posting you the science question answer. Now let's start the chapter 6 Rules to Follow and Duties to Fulfill. You do many things every day. You go to different places, you meet different people, you drive around, you go to the park in the neighborhood. If you do not obey the traffic signal or do not form a queue to board the school bus, you might get hurt. If you follow safety rules and fulfill your duties towards your community, you will be safe and happy. So we should always, whether on the road, at home, or at school, or at home, at school, on the road, anywhere, we should always follow the safety rules that will be safe for us and we will be happy. Here are some rules and duties that you should fulfill. So what rule should we follow at home? At home, play with ball outside the house. Do not play on the stairs. Do not play in the garden after dark. Snakes and poisonous insects might bite you. Do not play with matchsticks or electric objects. Do not go close to the gas stove. Keep away from electric wires. Never try to take medicines yourself. Do not touch objects like scissors, blade and knife, or tools like saw, axe, hammer or chisel. So we should not touch any sharp objects that will cut our fingers and will harm us. Put away your toys and books in the proper place. Save water and electricity. Now what safety rules should you follow at school? Be punctual and dress in a neat school uniform. Never fight or hit. You can get hurt. Do not come down from a slide backwards or sit double on the seesaw in the school playground. Do not jump on desks and chairs. You might fall. Keep away from the laboratory in the school. Do not climb the rooftop. Never talk to strangers inside or outside the school. Speak politely to all helpers at school. What safety rules should you follow on the road? Look at the book. Do not skip, run or play on the road. Cross the road only at the zebra crossing. Follow the traffic lights. Red says stop, yellow says get ready, green says go. Never tease stray animals. Stray animals, that means the animals that stay at the roadside. Obey the traffic signal and the traffic police. Walk on the footpath, not on the road. Stay away from crowded roads. In a bus, stand in a queue to wait for a bus. Do not push or pull to get inside a bus. Never fight or shout inside a bus or a car. Climb on and get off only when the bus is stationary. You must not talk to strangers or take any food from them. You must, if the bus is overcrowded, do not overcrowded means अगर बहुत when that bus बहुत jam रहता है, बहुत भीड़ रहता है. Do not travel hanging on the footboard. Do not put your hands or head out of the window in the moving bus. What safety rules should you follow in the neighborhood? Collect your waste and throw it into the public dustbin. Do not litter on the streets. Stay away from the stray animals. Never hit them or tease them. Never play near the bus stop or car park. It is dangerous to play near building sites. Keep away. Never spit on the roads or near the walls. Dispose of broken things and banana peels safely in the dustbin. If you throw on the middle of the roadside or in the middle of anywhere, people may slip and get hurt. Don't throw anything in the drains. Always flush the public toilet after use. So it was very easy chapter. We have finished this chapter. So now we will be doing the exercise. Cross out wrong one. At park, play with a ball. Number 2, walk up or down the stairs. Number 3, do not play in the garden after dark. Number 4. Never talk to strangers inside or outside the school. Yellow says, get ready. Number 6. Climb and get off the bus. A stationary bus. Climb and get off the stationary bus. Number 7. Stay away from stray animals. Number 8. Collect your waste and throw it into the public dustbin. Number 9. Don't throw anything in the drains. So we have finished this chapter. As there is a very short of time, your exams are from starting from 1st of December. So let us do the second chapter also. On the question answer of this chapter, I will be giving you along with this video. Now let's start chapter 7, North, South, East and West. As you know, by the name North, South, East and West, these are the directions. So it's very easy chapter. Okay. Now let's start. You might have seen a traffic policeman make movements with his hand like this. Look at the picture. Front, back, left and right are sides. They tell the way towards which a person should move. Simple sides also tell the position of a person or a thing. Sides are nothing but directions. These north, south, east, west, they are the directions. Traveling in all directions. We go to many places. Some places are near our home while other places are far away. We know the way from our home to the places that we visit often. But sometimes we need to go to a new place. If the new place is in our city, we can ask other people to guide us. But if the new place is in another city, we will need to use a road map. It is very clear that if we need to go to somewhere place that we don't know, we use a road map. Isn't it? We use a road map. So, and if we know the places, we just guidance will help us to reach to that particular place. We need to know where to head to reach our destination. The route that we take when we go from one place to another is called direction. Directions help us to go on the right path. There are 4 cardinal directions that you see on the compass. They are north, south, east and west. So what is direction? The road that takes us when we go from one place to another is the direction, and the 4 cardinal directions are north, south, east and west. The guiding sun. The sun helps us to know directions. The sun rises in the east, it sets in the west. If we face the morning sun, we are facing east. That means our back is facing the west, because the sun rises in the east that we are facing, and at the back of the sun, that is the east, at the back of the east is the west. If now stretch both of our hands, our left hand points to the north, our left hand points to the north and our right hand points towards the south. The road signs. Road signs also tell us where to go. These are turn left, look at the sign, turn left, turn right, U-turn. When you go on the road, you see at many places you must have seen all these signs. These signs indicate like this. If you see this sign, this is turn left. If you this sign, turn right, U-turn, ahead only, no U-turn, no horn, no right turn, no parking. The map. Directions are seen in maps as well. Jammu and Kashmir is in the North India, Kerala is in South India, Assam is in East India, Rajasthan is in West India. India is surrounded by many countries, China in the north, Sri Lanka in the south, Bangladesh in the east and Pakistan in the west. Now look at the fact. A collection of maps in a book is called an atlas. Now look at the exercise. Write down the direction from your school. See this to the bus stand north, to your home south, to the market south, to the park north, to your father's office west. Fill in the blanks. This you can change according to your direction and place. Front, back, left and right are sides. We carry a road map. To find our way in a new city. Directions help us to go on the right path. If we face the morning sun, we are facing the east. So we have completed chapter 6 and 7. I will be giving you the question and answer along with this video. Look at the question answer. Copy in your notebook. As you all know, You have to submit your each and every subject question answer separately, as that is marks in January, first week of January. So from now onwards, complete all your work so that at the end of the moment you won't have any pressure. Next day we will be continuing with our chapter 8. Thank you.